Ensure the Argeno has power to at least one DC input and that the DC disconnector is switched on. Once the inverter has started up, connect to the user interface either via the network or via the service-only LAN connection. The assistant will guide you through the commissioning process. First, assign and confirm a customer and an installer password and click Continue. Select a language. Select country and grid type. Verify the parameters and confirm. If required, set a power limitation for this Argeno. Set the IP settings for the Argeno in the network. If necessary, reconnect to the Argeno. Select time zone and units. To allow Modbus TCP control of the Argeno, you can enable write access of Modbus. Optionally, a device name can be added. Confirm the terms and conditions to use SolarWeb. If a smart meter IP is available in the network, you can use the button Find Devices to find any available IP smart meters and add them. You can now open an additional tab to add the Argeno to SolarWeb. Document who made these changes by adding a name to the setup name. To create a PDF document documenting the setup, click Create Report. To make further changes to the parameters, you can use the menu Device Configuration and then the menus that appear on the left.